name is Afo Elbanson and welcome once again to the Young Achievers Network. I love you guys for subscribing to my channels. Thank you so much for the support, for sharing, for commenting. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Without you, this channel will not be where it is now. Even though we have just a few followers, I'm happy that I'm impacting the lives of these few people that have come into my life. We are looking at making progress, and we are looking at the 6 human needs. We have not even gotten to the crux of the 10 keys to make progress. These are just the human needs that guide us whilst we are making progress. And the 6 human needs are certainty, variety, significance, love and connection, growth, and today we are looking at contribution. And I want to reiterate again that these are not Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. I picked up these needs from the motivational coach Tony Robbins, the strategist, and as he taught me and as I've applied it in my life, I'm also sharing it with you. But I am adding the advantages of each of the needs as well as the disadvantages. So the need for contribution is the need to add value to the lives of others. This is what makes us want to give to people and provide services and make inventions that make the world a better place. As human beings, intrinsically, we want to make the world a better place for ourselves, for our friends, for our children, for our loved ones. And so this need for contribution helps us give to other people. And as human beings, we feel wonderful when we are adding value to the lives of other people. So what are the advantages of this need for contribution? Number 1, it enables us to improve other people's lives and make this world a better place. When we want to contribute, we add value to the lives of other people. We contribute to charities, we contribute to the lives of people we know, we give to our friends, we give to our churches, we give to orphanages, and we do so much to help other people, our siblings, family members, spouses, loved ones. Giving to people time, money, not counsel, wisdom, knowledge, understanding are all forms of contribution. Secondly, it enables us to be unselfish and at times to be totally selfless and sacrificial. When you possess this spirit of contribution as a human need and is high on that level, it helps you to be selfless, and it even moves you to the point of being sacrificial, that you sacrifice what you have to give to somebody who is in dire need of what you have. Thirdly, it gives us the feeling that we have done something to make someone's life better, and we have done something to make the world a better place. So as we give to other people, we have this strong feeling. Dopamine is injected into us and we have this wonderful feeling, and the person we show the kindness to also has this wonderful shot of dopamine and feels excited, and so they also might want to give back to us or give back to someone else. But this need for contribution is a wonderful need. When you are able to add value to the lives of people, it is an amazing thing. And I trust that I'm adding value to your lives. So kindly comment below the benefits you have received from my channel. The disadvantages of this need for contribution are: 1, you can give too much away, even to the detriment of your own health and happiness. There are some people, they give away and give and give, and sometimes they are starving and end up giving their own food to someone who's hungry. So you can give and give to the detriment of your family, your friends, and even your own life and happiness, and you end up being miserable. So as you give, reserve a little bit for yourself. Don't give so much away that there's nothing left for yourself. Keep a little bit just for yourself to keep you alive long enough so that you can give a little bit more. Secondly, people can take advantage of you and suck you dry when you know that you are the giving type. There are some people, when they know you are the giving type, they will always call you when they need money. They will call you when they need advice. They will call you when you need something, but they are never available when you need them. And so you need to redefine your circle of friends. And if you're not careful, these people who are leeches, who are cancerous, they will suck your life dry. Thirdly, it can create financial and sometimes legal problems. What do I mean by that? Sometimes people can have legal problems. They might meet a child and then might feel that they want to care for the child and bring the child into their home and care for them over a period of time without first finding out from social welfare who the parents are, where this child is, if they belong to any family. And they can do this and it can bring them legal problems. There have been cases where people have taken care of people for decades, and those same people have turned around to kick those people back in the gut because they did not appreciate what those people did for them. And so when you give so much to people, if you are not careful, you may have financial challenges and you may have legal problems also. So be wise in helping people and make sure that you make the right choices as you go about to help people. This has been Afol L. Benson, and this is the Young Achievers Network, designed to help you improve the quality of your life. So make sure that you click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon also, so that you'll be notified when I upload the next video.